It's like a mobile station I got going on here. Gotta hold up my own damn reflector. Oh my god. That was funny. Don't give me that puppy dog look. I can't move. You know I'm holding this, right, with my knees? You should see this setup. Look, I'm holding it. I don't even know how I'm gonna reach my stuff. I'm glad you think this is funny. What's up, my Shuggies? Ashley here, and in today's video I have an amazing, massive haul of all things home, kitchen, decor. I'm just so excited. I have a culmination from Ikea, Athome, and Hobby Lobby. I recently just went on a whim trying to find some of those UVA stocks that I talked about recently on my Instagram, and feel like I always hit the jackpot. Hobby Lobby I got the most from, but I did get a few really good items from Athome as well as Ikea. So if you are interested in seeing this home decor and kitchen accessory haul, then just keep watching. All right, we are going to start off with Ikea. I got some kitchen stuff there, some really good random things. I just happened to go in for a garment hook and ended up losing it in the kitchen section. So one thing I will show you a picture of, because I didn't want to haul it all the way up here, is a utensil drawer that I found. I originally found one at Target, and when I got my new Hearth and Hand amazing matte black silverware, I decided that I wanted to get something that fit a little bit better in the drawer. So at Target I found an adjustable drawer to put my silverware in. However, when I found this one at Ikea, it was perfection. Because of the layout and the design, it fit perfectly in my drawer, as well as, for me, in my opinion, had a better layout in order to put other things other than the silverware. So I will insert a picture so you can see that. It was very inexpensive. It was actually cheaper than the one at Target. I think it was around $17, and the one at Target was, I believe, about $24, $25. So it was about $5 or $6 cheaper, give or take. Now, moving on to storage ideas, I found some really cute containers as well as servingware. So let me get it out. These are the first two, these wooden bowls, and I know that they seem plain and insignificant, but these are the perfect salad bowl. We eat salad all the time, sometimes every single day, and I wanted something that was nice and light that you could put your salad in that would be a nice serving per person, because sometimes if we're having extra sides, I wanted something separate for the salad to be in. So these are very nice, they're lightweight, they're super inexpensive, they're a beautiful design. As you can see, there's multiple colors of wood inside, and of course multiple patterns. I just think they're a nice neutral color, and they're great for salad. So we got 4 of these, and then we got some of these food storage containers. So I thankfully was able to round up 2 of them by the skin of my teeth. I don't know why it said that they had a ton in stock, but they really didn't. So I'm gonna have to order some more online. But I love the shape of this, and I love the volume that this holds. So they had a ton of different shapes and sizes, but I really wanted something for my loose things. Like I have quinoa, I have some mixed rice that's out of a bag, I always have a ton of panko breadcrumbs, oatmeal, that sort of thing, that looked nice but had enough volume, because the ones that I was finding were about half this size, and they really weren't holding all of the items that I want. And what's the point in transferring everything to nice sealed containers if it's not going to fit? So these also do have interchangeable lids. You can pick any lid you want. I of course wanted the wood lid. I don't know who wouldn't want this. It's aesthetically pleasing, and it has a seal on it so your food will stay fresh. So the containers are glass. You don't have to worry about if you use them in the microwave and want to store actual food in here. For meal prepping, these will work perfect for that too, but very inexpensive. I think $5 for the lid and $3 or $4 for the glass container. So definitely want to stock up on a ton of these. Okay, next we are moving on to Athome, and I found some really good home decor items as well as serving items. So I am always, you know, looking for another item to organize my pantry. And I happened to get these really cute baskets on Amazon. But when I was at Home, I also saw them there. Mind you, they were more expensive at Home versus Amazon. So I will link them down below in my Amazon store because you can save like $6. But unlike Amazon, they had the baby sizes. So these little baskets I think are so cute because you can store things in them, like packets of granola, packets of oatmeal. Are you enjoying the show? Yeah? Okay. You look so intrigued. Mm. And I do have the bigger ones, like I said, from Amazon. I got 2 of those to put, you know, bags of popcorn in. Anything that I don't want to clutter up my pantry with, I can put in these baskets. I love them because of the design. As you can see, it's kind of like a double spun black mesh wire basket. They're very lightweight, and the small ones were $10 and the big ones were, I believe, 20, but I got them on Amazon for 15. So definitely check that link if you want the bigger ones down below because they are a lot cheaper. And you know, like I said, Amazon didn't have the baby ones. Unless you find them, please let me know. But these were $10. So I just got 2 of these to put some extra stuff in. Moving on to vessels. We all know you can never have enough cement vessels. I at one point was going to make some homemade until I went to Home and realized I didn't need to make them at home because I can buy them at Home. Get it? So it started off with getting one for my kitchen, which is now in my entryway, and I did DIY the inside of it. I melted down a candle and, you know, put that all together. I can put the card to link that video if you guys want to watch that. And then I got a massive one, which is waiting, you know, it's in purgatory, if you will, because if I ever find a console table that I like, it will go on the top of that. And I'm either going to fill it with moss or geodes or something. But I have a massive one as well. And then when I went there, I found a baby. So of course, you know, I had to have it. And this one I think will be perfect just by itself. So, you know, a place where you're walking by, it's not too low, it's somewhere with a little bit of height. You just see this beautiful cement texture, and I absolutely love it. For those of you who asked, they do have holes in the bottom. And for those of you who are wondering, how in the heck did I make a candle with a hole in the bottom of the vessel? I just used some putty and I filled it in and let it dry and then put the candle in. So if you're looking to make this into a candle, a very easy fix, just make sure you plug the hole, assuming these are more for planters, which would also be cute, and then you can put whatever it is you want inside. So I will probably put this on a stack of books somewhere, maybe even in my office, and I just love the color of the cement. I believe there's some sort of, based on the color of the inside paint that they used on the outside, it has a nice distressed finish to it. It's a perfect quintessential gray color. I just think, you know, everyone could use a little cement vessel in their house. Also, in case I did not mention it, it was $19.99, so not bad price-wise either. All right, we have 2 more items. This one is one that I have been looking for, and I didn't realize it was so small, but it still actually works perfect in the area I wanted it to go. So it is a nice, just decor accessory. It has a nice metal, metal-like base. It is a beautiful, it looks like a palm frond, but the reason I love it is because the base of it is black, but it's got this nice metallic coppery finish, as you can see, to it. And I just think it's very simplistic and beautiful. I'm going to add this to my entryway, like I said, on a stack of books to give it a little height because it's a little bit on the shorter side. And I think it'll go perfectly with the rattan vessel that I have and the black tray. It'll just kind of bring everything all together. So this was $34.99 and it is very heavy and substantial. They have some really, really, really great accessories. I again can link a card to the at-home haul that I did, just kind of walking around the store and showing you everything that they have. If you're looking for, you know, cutting boards or trays or bowls or cement pieces, furniture, they literally have a little bit of everything. And this is just one of my new faves. I love it. So if you're looking for some good accessories, they have them separated by color, separated by style, so you can go there and find what you need. Now, moving on to the last piece, I initially got this because and I still may at some point, wanted to put this in the back of my stove area, but we don't have our backsplash done yet. So I love it because A, the color, and B, the shape. It is a perfect neutral wood tone color. I may just keep this either for a serving piece. I think it's really nice. I have some white marble pieces that I think would be cute. You could make it for a charcuterie board, anything you want. I think these are super versatile. And again, if you find a good shape and a good color, I think this is kind of something that's a moot point. You can really use it anywhere in your house. This did retail for $14.99, which I think is super cheap. Some of these can be very expensive depending on the wood that they are. Some of them are like acai wood and different woods, but 14 bucks for a cutting board slash serving tray slash decor item, I don't think you could beat it. So that is my last find from At Home. So going to Hobby Lobby, again, I was just really looking for my uva stocks, which I did find. If you were looking for some good uva stocks or the world's best pampas grass, please hit up your local Hobby Lobby. Don't forget their 40% off coupon. It was making too much noise. Also, if you're looking to see what they look like, I have done multiple posts about each, including a video, which I can link to that card as well. So you guys can watch that for the pampas grass and a picture of the uva stalks that are on my Instagram. So if you check down below in the description box, there's a link to that so you can see what they look like, color, texture, shape, size, all of that good stuff. Now, moving on to me happening to be in the right place at the right time, I decided to take a gander around the store. Not thinking I would find anything because, again, I did a shop with me there and it was pretty much all fall decor. But I decided to go in each and every single aisle and found some really good little pieces. So the first thing I'm going to start out with are these two little baby wooden vessels. Oh my gosh, these are the perfect shade of gray you'll have ever seen in your life. They're just cute little simple wooden vessels. They remind me of the Studio McGee pieces that they have at Target, but they are more on the neutral slash gray color scale. So if you like the ones from Studio McGee at Target, but you think that those are a little bit too yellow, which I bought them and took them back because they were too yellow in my space, these would be the perfect one for you. They are coming across more whitewashed than what they are, but they are not as whitewashed as they seem on the camera. That's a better idea of what they really look like. They're very neutral wood with a very, very, very light brushing of white distress. They retail for $14.99 and $19.99. I think they would be perfectly paired together. We'll keep the family together on a little stack of books, on a shelf, on a table, anywhere really. They do have holes in the top. It looks like you could put some skinny candles if you wanted to inside, but I think they're perfect on their own. So these cute little babies are now a part of the family. Moving on to more cutting boards. This is definitely more of a decor piece, but I loved this because it was simple and black and just had a little bit of a rattan accessory to it. And it was 24 bucks. I think it's more, like I said, for a decor piece, but super cute for a kitchen or display. If you wanted to put, you know, some food items or bowls on top of it for a serving piece, I think it would be super cute for that as well. And of course, the shape together in conjunction with this, I think is a cute, nice little contrast you got going on. So one like that and one like that. I think that's very nice and simple and cute. So no matter what you use it for, you can never go wrong with having more serving trays. Speaking of trays, there are two very different and unique trays that I got that I wanted to try out. One for the table that I will be getting behind me, and this is, like I said, very unique. More of a tribal rattan tray, but the reason I love it is because of this beautiful tassel that dangles in the front. It is so cute. It is so chic. This is so substantial. It looks like a horsetail. This is nice because it is more of a plastic rattan, so it's not going to shed everywhere. And the colorway on this is really nice as well. It's a very neutral gray base with a white and black accent. So if you have somewhere flat to put this, that this can dangle off the front like a little, you know, side table, cocktail table sort of thing, I think this would be adorable. You can put some books, you can put those little baby wood vessels, and you're good to go. So this is the first tray, and this one retailed for $24.99. Moving on to the next one, it is a nice black massive tray, and this one was $29.99, and I love this because it is metal and then it's wrapped in a black rattan. I think this could go for decor in the kitchen. I think it could go on a table with a bunch of stuff on top of it. I think this would be perfect for literally anywhere. You could lean it if you had a really big shelf in the back and then put some accessories in front of it. Of course, you'd have to have a deep enough shelf for that, but lots of potential with this little boy right here. Moving right along to my favorite piece of the entire haul, it is these fantastic Studio McGee Total Dupe wooden beads. I, like everyone else in the entire world, was looking for the Studio McGee beads and could not find this nice neutral wood color anywhere. So I happened to get creative, and when I was searching high and low, I was looking in the picture frame area, and these are actually meant to be hung on a wall, which again, super cute. You could hang pictures from here, or if you just like that boho look, you could, just hang it like on the wall for art, or you could just tuck these little loops away and you could roll it up and put it in a bowl and have the cute little tassels for your little decor bowl look. So I'm going to put these in a little oval shaped bowl that I have downstairs on a side cocktail table, and I think since it is black and these are neutral, natural wood color, it will go perfectly. The best part about these is that they do have tassels. I know a lot of the beads that you find don't necessarily have the tassels, and I really think that that's what makes them so cute and so unique. These did retail for $19.99. It even on the tag says wall decor. So this is a really good little secret find if you are looking for some natural wood beads. Moving to our last three products, I am super excited about this. I always love a good spoon rest, and I have a really cute one right now from Athome. It is a black and white theme, but I found a massive one that is also a really, really dark charcoal gray / black and white, and it is from Blue Geo Collection. It was only $7, and I think that this is great. They're great to interchange. They're really useful in the kitchen. It's even nice when you use one and when one is in the dishwasher to have a replacement, almost like a second set of sheets. So if you're into that sort of thing and you like a good black and white vibe, then definitely hit up Hobby Lobby and get your black and white spoon rest. Second to last, we have a holiday item that you really have to be a holiday person to appreciate this. This is something very personal that I had to pick up because I am obsessed with the movie and the entire theme of Christmas, and it was also 50% off. So I present to you this adorable Grinch coffee mug. How cute is this? It was $14.99 on sale, 50% off, so it was $7. I think this is the cutest thing ever. I'm obsessed with the Grinch. I think the movie is great. The first one, the second one, the pajamas, the sweatshirts, you name it, I have it. The stuffed animals. I love the Grinch. So when I saw this, I will be sipping my tea and coffee out of this if it ever gets below 104. Last but certainly not least, I have a little baby item. This was only $2.99, but I thought these would be absolutely perfect for those Ikea canisters that I am housing all of my little oatmeals and rice and small items in. These little wooden scoops are perfect. So they fit inside those and you can scoop things out, but they're not too big and bulky to where you're not gonna have to worry about the lid closing. So I got a pack of 3, like I said, for $2.99, and it was in the party section. I literally spent 30 minutes searching around the store for it. So if you're going to the store and you cannot find them, don't forget to look in the party section. All right, you guys, that completes my massive haul from At Home, Hobby Lobby, and Ikea. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, I will link everything that is still available in the description box down below. Please do not forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that post notification bell so you guys can be notified every time I upload new videos. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.